Hey, Hayden here, and in this video, sorry for the sound and everything else, the question was there was a leak coming from the toilet, and after some investigation, playing around with things and dealing with things of that nature, you might see a little discoloration right here. This is where the leak was emanating from, right kind of to the right of that cap right there, where the nut is that holds the thing down on the wax seal. And I kind of determined that it wasn't being seated well enough on the wax seal. So I used a wrench and I tightened down that bolt that's underneath that cap there. And the problem was that it was way too loose. The toilet wasn't sitting down far enough on the wax ring. The wax ring may have deteriorated a little bit, and I might have to replace the wax ring. But after tightening down the two bolts on either side of the toilet, that will hopefully alleviate the problem of the very minor leak that was happening. The other issue that we had in this room, I'll turn the light off here for this, but the other issue was the former light fixture that was up here in the corner was actually pulled out. It pulled out of the wall and it was hanging. So it was kind of hanging from the wires. What I had to do was remove that fixture, and what I realized is the mounting, the cup that sits behind there, that's the wiring harness cup for safety, that had a crack in it where it was attached to the wall. And there was really no other way to fix it other than to repair how the cup, it's a blue plastic cup that sits in there that the wires sit in behind a fixture. And what happened was, I'm just gonna get the focus going here, I'll turn the lights back on, sorry about that. But anyway, so I had to basically make an adjustment to the cup behind this fixture. And then this fixture here is very, very lightweight. Actually, we have something similar to this in our house, and we like these quite a bit. They're very easy, and we put LED lightings in here for her, which are very efficient, should last pretty much forever. And basically just change this fixture out. So these were the two issues in this bathroom. Basically just change out the fixture, make an adjustment to the safety harness behind it so it was in there nice and safe. And these don't create any heat. There's no heat going on, so that that you're not going to get a burn mark on the ceiling or anything because of how high up this fixture is. So that's a great thing about the LEDs as well. And then again, the fixture, the leak here for the toilet was pretty much coming from underneath, and hopefully by tightening down the bolts properly, we've alleviated that problem. So with that, till I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.